Hey everybody, in this video we are looking at the next three examples, numbers 13, 14, and 15, in the set of practice of special right triangles, 30, 60, 90, and 45, 45, 90. I think there is maybe one more set after this, and obviously numbers 1 through 12 are broken up at 3 at a time, also recorded right before this. So you should have no problem finding those. All right. So let's look at number 13. I give the most breakdown, detail, and explanation in the video for numbers 1, 2, and 3, a little bit less in numbers 4, 5, and 6, and so on. So I'm just going to dive right into this. Here I have leg and leg, and I have hypotenuse, and the formula for that is leg root 2, because I am looking at a 45, 45, 90 triangle. That means that since h is 8 root 2, I can use substitution. 8 root 2 equals L root 2. It's a little easy if you ask me. Divide both sides by root 2, and we get that L equals 8. And if U and V both equal L, that means, since L equals 8, that U equals 8 and V also equals 8 because it's isosceles, so those sides are congruent. So equals 8 over here and equals 8 over there. And that's it. So that side is finito. And that one was done, and that is the formula we used. All right. So there you have it. That is the end of this example right here. I might go over that in a darker color. A little hard to see. Okay. Next up, we have example number 14. Example number 14, we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Always pay attention to the way it's positioned. The short leg is not always in the same place, so don't become a creature of habit or anything like that. That makes this angle here 60. That makes my short leg this side. My long leg, which is short times root 3, is this side. So long leg is 12. And my hypotenuse, which is x, and then s is equal to y. But my hypotenuse formula is that it equals 2 times s. All right, so what are we going to do? First, I'm going to use L to figure out the value of s. So 12 plugs in for L equals s times the square root of 3. Okay, so how do I get s alone? That is there. To get s alone, we're going to divide both sides by the square root of 3 and rationalize our denominator, of course. S equals, so 12 root 3 over 3 is the step in between. Reduce it, s equals 4 root 3. Okay, then from there, hypotenuse equals 2 times 4 root 3. Hypotenuse equals 8 root 3. And there we have it. That's the end of that example number 14. Oh, and that's really x. So I could write down, if it was something you had to turn in, you might write x equals 8 root 3. And we might write that y is equal to 4 root 3. And maybe those are the ones that we kind of like turn in as the more official final answer, but all is good. Just make sure everything's clear. Oops, I'm gonna zoom in a little. There we go. All right, next up we have number 15. And in number 15, we have another 30, 60, 90 triangle. And that would be my short leg. And this over here is my long leg, which is equal to short leg times root 3. So my long leg is A, my short leg is B. Oh, yeah, I'm right. Okay. And my hypotenuse, I thought I just labeled this incorrectly. My hypotenuse is equal to 2 times the short leg. So which side do I have? I have the hypotenuse. Since I have the hypotenuse, I'll start with that. 3 equals 2s. Divide both sides by 2. So S equals 3 over 2 for grown-ups. So we're going to leave it as 3 over 2, which is 1.5 as a decimal, but we can let that be just as it is. 3 over 2. Oh, that's not pink. Hello. So next, oh no, I don't want, yeah, what was I doing? S is green. Ay, 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 what am I doing? H was 3. That was the formula. Okay, so S over here, or B, is S equals 3 over 2, or we can say B equals 3 over 2, all the same. Okay, and now for my long leg, L equals S, which is 3 over 2 root 3. Next to and numerator basically mean the same thing. So you'd probably write 3 root 3 over 2 if we're a little bit more prepper with how we write our answer. You know, it looks a little nicer that way. Not that it's much of a difference if I switch that up a bit. All right. So I could also just say then that A, maybe I have to zoom out a little bit again. So A is equal to 3 root 3 over 2. Okay, got that one. And that one right there. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I believe we are all done. That's H, X, and Y. Let's see, anything else to circle? That was the X and the Y. And all right, all good. We also had that L, the long leg was 12, right? And over here, U equals 8 and B equals 8. And we had hypotenuse was equal to 8 root 2. Okay, so that's it, everybody. Double check your work. Let me know if you get it, got it. Give a thumbs up if you're good to go. Thumbs down if not so much. And we should be going on to the last 3 examples in the next video. See you there. Adios. Check the playlist.